Hi everyone, Namaste. My name is Shynee Narang and I'm a certified yoga instructor and founder of a digital wellness platform, YooYogic. And today, because it's a special day, Yoga International Day, I'm here to share my experience with you of practicing yoga for more than a decade. So I'll quickly share a few things that I have in mind and I really wish it benefits you too. So, to begin with, I would like to tell you that I have been practicing yoga since 2008. So, it's been a very, very long time. And I started yoga with the basic, intent to lose some weight and gain some fitness. And at that time, when I started, I was working with a market research company as a market researcher. But over a period of time, I realized that yoga is not only about the physical fitness, it has a lot to do with mental fitness, emotional fitness, psychological fitness, and also spiritual strengthening. So I realized the importance of yoga over a period of time and realized that it's just not an exercise. It gives you a lot more than you can imagine. And therefore, I decided to also become a teacher and share this with a lot of other beings that I've come across. To tell you why and how it works, you would see that once you start practicing yoga, you will definitely see a lot of changes in your body in terms of, the body becomes fitter, there are no more aches, pains, and everything. Your hormones get in balance, and your changes in the body are taken care of. But those are physical benefits. The emotional and the mental benefits are actually beyond measure. So, just to tell you a few, your memory really increases multifold. Concentration really increases. You're able to multitask. You're able to have a pinpoint focus on anything and everything you do. You become a better decision maker. You're able to handle your emotions very well, especially maybe after a breakup. But the idea is, what I'm trying to convey is that overall, it helps in your growth in every sphere, not just, in terms of body. So you definitely can gain a lot more. And I'm an example of that. I used to struggle with a lot of things. And over a period of time, I realized I have more patience. I have better decision making skills now. And I am able to differentiate between I am able to come to a point where I now respond to a situation and not simply react to it. So all this came after many, many years of practice, of course, but you can see these results coming in immediately as well, even after a few classes. And because it's Yoga International Day, and I like to share some simple exercises with you guys that you can practice right now with me and take these back and apply them in your daily life. So, I'm going to give you two breathing exercises which can be done for people by people of all age group. And all you need to do is just find a corner. Even if you're sitting on your chair, even if you're slouching on your sofas, it's fine. You can still practice this. Try and keep your spine up straight. So I'm going to begin by showing you the first exercise, breathing exercise. It's called Anulom Vilom Pranayam, alternative nostril breathing. So to do this, all you need to do is just sit up straight. Use the right hand. Drop the first two fingers of the right hand, use the thumb and the ring finger of your right hand. All we are doing is we're switching between these two. So we alternatively inhaling and exhaling from both the nostrils. Let's start and I'll keep instructing you. You first place the right thumb on the right nostril and inhale from the left. Close the left using your ring finger, open the thumb, exhale from the right. Again, inhale from the right. Close the right using your thumb, open the ring finger, exhale left. That's it. Keep going. Again, inhaling left, closing the left, exhale right. Inhaling from right, closing the right, exhale, left. Very simple alternative nostril breathing exercise. You can do this anytime to relax your mind. If there's a lot of chatter going on, you really don't know what to do, you are not able to prioritize your list. So just take 5 minutes, do this alternative nostril breathing exercise, and you will feel relaxed. My suggestion would be to do this on an empty stomach if possible, but even if that's not possible, you should not do this on a full stomach. That's the only caution. Now, there's no fixed time to do this. Feel free to do it in the morning, afternoon, evening, or even before going to bed. People who struggle with insomnia or are unable to sleep at night can just practice few rounds of this alternative nostril breathing, Anulom Vilom Pranayam, and you will feel charged up in the day and you'll feel relaxed in the night immediately. You'll be able to sleep well with this. It has that miraculous effect. The second breathing exercise that I'm going to share with you today is called Brahmari. It's another simple technique which helps you calm down immediately. So, whenever you're in a situation which is very difficult to handle, especially emotionally very difficult to handle, so you can just practice Brahmari pranayam, which is a pranayam which needs to be done again on an empty stomach, and it doesn't require any special kind of experience or technique. It's very simple. The way you have to do this is you place your fingers on the eyes and you close your ears with the thumb. You inhale from both the nostrils, and while exhaling, you make a humming sound like that of a bee. You can listen to this first. For as long as you can. So all I'm doing is while exhaling, I'm making this humming sound. So let's practice 2-3 rounds to understand this. So cover your eyes with the fingers, place the thumb on the ears, close your ears, and inhale from the nose. Exhale in a humming sound. And gently you can remove the hands and softly open the eyes. Ideally, we should do at least 12 to 15 rounds of both the pranayams, Anulom Vilom as well as Brahmari, but because of the time paucity, I'm just demonstrating it to you and to share with you that these are two quick fixes, literally, that can sort out a lot of things. Just believe in the power of pranayam, believe in the power of yoga, and you see it can transform your life. And I'm not just saying it from my personal experience. I've heard, I have witnessed the transformation in my students as well, in people around me who've been practicing yoga. And it really, really is miraculous. So, this is my take, and this is my quick tip for all of you on this special day. So, please make physical activity. If you can practice yoga, asana, great. Please make any other physical activity or yoga a daily part of your life, a daily part of your routine, and make sure that you do pranayam at least once a day. Just 10 minutes of Anulom Vilom or Brahmari or both can give you so much of relaxation and will de-stress you. It will also improve your immunity levels. It will increase your lung capacity. It will also bring a glow on your face, the natural one. So just take some time out, make yoga and pranayam a regular part of your life, and you will be able to see how amazing, how beautiful it feels at the end of the day, beginning of the day, middle of the day, whenever you choose to practice it. Honestly speaking, I know that a lot of you probably all know the benefits of yoga. Most of you already have heard that, yoga is miraculous, it's very amazing. But many people come to us and say it's very boring, or it's for, the elders, or it's not for me. It requires a lot of patience, it requires a lot of dedication. And I want to burst this myth and ask you guys, tell me one single area of your life that doesn't require patience or dedication. Think about it. Is there anything in life that you would say you can achieve without patience and dedication? The chances are no. For everything that you're trying to achieve, you go step by step and you keep working towards it. Same is with yoga. So every day you step on your mat and work towards it. It does require patience, like all the other great things. It does require dedication, perseverance, continuity, consistency, like all the other great things. Also, it's a very big myth that yoga is slow and relaxed and not that exciting and cool. For people who think that is the way, that's how yoga is. For you guys, you should try Ashtanga Yoga or Vinyasa Yoga. These two forms of yoga are very challenging, very demanding. You will be panting and sweating within 10 minutes of your class. And I know I can say that for sure. So if you get a chance, try get hold of a teacher who teaches Ashtanga Yoga or Vinyasa Yoga, and go for that trial class and learn from them. And if you're somebody like me who likes to do a balance of the two, like a little bit of sweating, a little bit of relaxing, a little bit of high energy, and a little bit of letting go, then your form is Hatha Yoga. Hat Yoga, we also call that. So try doing that. But these two are good enough. So anything less than that would mean you're really just doing yoga for relaxation. Probably, if that's not your idea, you can skip the other forms. So, just to burst some myths, I wanted to share these two uh, important pieces of information. So, that's about it from my end. Thank you so much for your time. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. Bye bye.